Coming home to a clean house is a wonderful dream everyone would like to have, but it is not everyone's reality. Keeping your house clean is quite the challenge, especially if you have children and pets at home. Then there is your hectic schedule and responsibilities that also makes it difficult to keep your house looking amazing. But don't worry, you can have your entire house clean and get on with your life with our licensed, professional and trusted home cleaning services. We understand that your home is a place like no other. It is a place of security, peace, and relaxation. And having it fresh and clean makes it feel, well, more like home. Contact Scrubby today and come home to a clean house.
That's a wonderful video, but if the business in that video is your competitor, that's not so good. We can customize this video to meet your needs in 2 hours. If you'd like this video, give Max Kusoff a call.